Hi everyone, Mrs. E here with this week's Rainbow Common Exception Words video. Let's see what we've got in store this week. So, can you find our first word this week? This week's first word is favourite. So we're in the middle of the map now. As we learn a few more words, today's word is favourite. There it is. So these are a few of my favourite things. So words within words there. We've got the word favour. Favour. Looks like favor. We've also got our. O-U-R. Fave, our, ite. Favourite. Our next word is February. February. Right next to favourite, there it is. February, it's the month of Valentine's. Now, the way I remember February is I remember it as Feb-ru-ary, because they've got that R in the middle that often gets forgotten. Feb-ru-ary. There's no words within words here, but we can use Feb for ebb, ru-ary. Feb-ru-ary. Our next word is forward and forwards. So there they are next to one another, forwards. So words within words there. We've got ward, like the ward on a hospital. And we've got the word for at the beginning. Forwards, forwards, keep moving forwards. Our next word is fruit, fruit. There it is as we move along this line, fruit. So it's F-R-U-I-T. It's on our list because of that I. Fruit, it looks like. Fruit. And our final word is group. Group. There it is. And it looks like this. All those people are stood in a group. So we've got the gr, and then it oo, O-U, p, group. But it's not double O. That's why it's on the list, because we want to spell it with a double O, but it's O-U-P. So let's see which of these words is hiding behind my rainbow squares this week. Okay, will it be group? Will it be fruit? Will it be forwards? Will it be February? Or favourite? Okay, let's see what's hiding. Here we go. You can pause the video anytime you like to write it down. Boxes, numbers. Ooh, do you know now? As the coloured boxes disappear, I can see it's a page from a calendar. Well done. It's February. Well done if you got that right. Okay, question 2. Which of this week's words is hiding this time? Is it group, fruit, forwards, February, or favourite? Let's see what clue we're given. Ooh, not much clue there. Other side. People walking. Will the middle solve the riddle? Still not sure. Do you know? Big clue. That's right. The people are moving forwards. So it was forwards. Well done if you got it right. Okay. Question 3. Which of these week's words is hiding now? Is it group, fruit, forwards, February, or favourite? Any ideas? Will you get there before I do? Lots of colours. Oh, the middle. Will it solve the riddle? Well done if you said it's fruit. It is a bowl of fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Question 4. Let's see which one is hiding this time. Is it group, fruit, forwards, February, or favourite? Here we go. Not sure. Do you know? It's the middle. I think we're going to have to read the words here. These are a few of my favourite things. Our word was favourite. Favourite. Question 5. What word's hiding this time? Here they come. Looks like snow, is it? Not sure. What is it? A jigsaw. Oh, I know. Do you? These people are all standing in a group. Great job. Absolutely fantastic. Keep practicing these words to make sure you get full marks on your spelling test. See you next time.